I am left with no choice but accept the life I have now. A life without my father. Mr. Suarez, you chose your path, and that path led you down dark roads. But a man would accept his punishment for his wrongdoing, not make excuses for himself. With that, Your Honor, I hope you too will see that Mr. Suarez was handed down a fair punishment, for anything less would be an injustice to my dad's name, Bob Mars. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
I'm grateful for the time that I had done. I wouldn't be who I am without it. I wouldn't be the man who sits here before you today, remorseful. I couldn't even see a future back then. I'm sorry.
Sentencing judge did not order the minimum term, went to the top of the range. I think that this case, Forco Williams, significantly narrows the scope of the Houston Sconyers case, but as it applies to this case, the court is asked whether or not the defendant meets his burden to allow for a resentencing. Now, I know that the court allowed the resentencing to occur, and I understand how that re-traumatizes people, but having reviewed the statute again, the court is standing by its decision that the defendant does not meet his burden to allow the court to resentence him. So the court is not going to resentence. The original sentence of 320 months will stand. The only change the court will do is with respect to any fines, fees that are not mandatory, the court would consider changing those fees. But other than that, the court is not going to change the fee at the time at this time. So the court's denying the motion.